So my name is Channe, and I was with Instead, and now we as Kawsang. So I want to talk about the technology that we apply today for the participatory in Cambodia. So we're looking at the technology, perhaps the most successful one is the mobile phone. Like in Cambodia, it's like you can see like the mobile phone reach more faster than the electricity or the water, clean water. So we have 16 million population, but we have like more than 20 million subscribers of the mobile phone. So we're talking about basic mobile phone, not necessarily smartphone everywhere. So if you're looking back in the year 2013, that's the photo of the first AP hack. We was working with the Scope Global Threat at the time, and basically bringing the technologies and the public health expert, and then co-designing the solution. And that's born the Cambodian National Health Hotline was born from that that AP hack that we designing with the local community as well, testing it, and then turned out to be the National Health Hotline. And it was designed to achieve two. One is to have the general public receiving the information, reporting information, and also the health worker to report the disease weekly basis. And it was designed that after that is also training to all the health clinic in the country, report the weekly disease, infectious disease to the system, and working also with the telecom in the country, making it sustainable. So this happened before COVID. So when the COVID hit in the country, this preparedness was in place already, both for the community and the health workers in the country. Next, please. So this is the blue one is the actual call record from the hotline 115. So we can see that this is during the pandemic time. The public participatory show as in the chart itself. So nearly 20,000 calls in the peak day that we're receiving. And this is the chart of actually the contact tracing auto call from the hotline. It sent out the contact tracing call to the suspected case or contact that close to the suspected case. Can you back this so fast? Anyway, you can read out more on the paper. We have it on Lancet, the viewpoint with the data and everything out there that show the actual utilization and how the hotline has been used in Cambodia. So are we there yet? So this is the case of Cambodia. Are we there yet with the public participatory? Next. So the case that we use with the Cambodia, the public participatory, is the starting point of it. So we're moving on from that toward One Health by starting from that as a human cases to work with the animal health as well. And that's what come to our work with the Ministry of Agriculture, the Animal Health Department, where we designing the disease surveillance system that allowing the human health and animal health to monitoring the case of the outbreak in the community and reporting that, and as well as using the timeliness and milestone metrics to track the progress of the report. As you can see here, the milestone and the metric when it's reported, the animal and human health reporting it, and we can they can also share. This is the first time that they share the data real time of the key disease. Like this is the key disease where the animal health sharing, and these are the key disease that infectious disease that the human health sharing with animal health in real time over the system. So coming back to one of the things that when we work on the public participatory, we always design with community, putting the community interest in the center of our design. So we are involving a lot of collaboration between the stakeholder partners and then, of course, with the community as well. So we believe that with collaboration, it's human collaboration, of course, and with the appropriate design, using the today technology, we can tackle the tomorrow problem. Thank you.